Hey guys, welcome back to another stunning video. Guys, in this video we will discuss that when you update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18.1 beta 7, you may face a problem that your update stuck on verifying update. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, there are 3 to 4 ways to fix this problem. First of all guys, you may just go back, and first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you may make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, you may scroll it down, and here the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then you may scroll it down again, and you may click here on general, and you may click here on date and time, and here is the option of set automatically, so you may turn this on. Then go back, and here the option of background app refresh, so you may click here and you may turn this on. After this, here the option of transfer or reset iPhone, click here, click on reset, and click on reset network setting. Then guys, you may go back and you may just restart your device, and after this you may click here on software update, and you may install that software from here, and you may check your problem will be fixed, and now you can enjoy your latest iOS version. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.